Hello, guys. Welcome to a new, fresh Monday episode of Crypto Milad. Today, guys, we're gonna discuss the king of the cryptocurrency. We're gonna discuss Bitcoin, guys. The Bitcoin we're gonna discuss, we're gonna take a look at the chart of Bitcoin, and we're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, what the Bitcoin dominance is doing versus the altcoins, guys, because that's also important, I think, for this channel, because the most subscribers, of course, they are in meme coins, they are in altcoins, they are interested in this subject. So I thought, let's today just make a clear conclusion about the Bitcoin and the Bitcoin dominance, guys, because I think that's a very important subject. So we're gonna just dive in the Bitcoin charts to see what Bitcoin actually is doing, because Bitcoin, guys, today it's doing so good. So let's go to the charts, guys. We start with the weekly charts, because the weekly chart is just a zoom out from the other time perspective. So in the weekly we can see everything so clearly. What I see, guys, in the weekly is that we made each week almost a higher high. And beside the higher high, guys, we also make each week we make also a higher low. So that's double bullish, guys. That is like higher highs and higher lows. That means in the weekly chart, that means Bitcoin keeps strong. Bitcoin, it's not near a position that we want to make a big pullback or something like that. That's what the chart shows. That's what the highest probability is in my sense of viewing this chart. It looks quite good. The volume, like, it's going a little bit down, but it's nothing to worry about in the weekly chart. Like one big candle volume, like one big breakout. What we gonna move above one around 107k. What is almost the all-time high at this moment, guys. It means that the volume candle will go up a lot. So that's something to watch. And guys, I think it's really, really the big possibility that we're gonna make a big candle any moment soon. Like, let's see, this is like the range, like between 90k and 107k. That's a range where we are between at the moment in the past week. So, like a clear, I think this time when we gonna break the 107k, I think it's very, very possible that we're gonna go with a big candle a lot higher, maybe the 110k, maybe the 115k. Who knows? Maybe we're gonna get a one big crazy candle, one green candle. What can bring also the Bitcoin dominance a little bit more up, guys. So be a little bit cautious on that, because when Bitcoin start to rally, the altcoins, they bleed. I will not say bleed, but there will go some money from the altcoins inside the Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin is really clearly going up, the most money will flow inside Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin dominance normally will go a little bit higher. When the Bitcoin it's finished with the rally, normally the money of the Bitcoin will flow little bit by little bit in altcoins. Sometimes it go little bit by little bit. Sometimes you see one big pump in the altcoins, and that means a big amount of money flowed from Bitcoin inside altcoins. So that's always something to keep an eye on, guys. In the weekly, let's go to the oscillators. The RSI, it looks quite strong. The MACD, it looks strong. And the strongest of all, guys, the CMF, the cash money flow, it looks more than good. Let's go to the 4-day charts from the Bitcoin. The 4-day charts, guys, it shows the same. It shows a strong, very strong bullish chart. The only thing, the CMF can go a little bit more up, so we break this previous high here. If that happens, guys, it's very bullish. It means there is a good money cash flow inside the Bitcoin. The only thing what's a little bit worrying is the MACD that's going down here, what you can see, and the price is going up. But actually, it's not going so much down, so it's not really something to really worry about. For example, if you get one big candle, what pushed up, then this will become a dark green candle, and we will go more up. So that's not really something to be scared of, or really think, okay, now we go down. That's just a little indication, just something what I saw in the chart. So guys, the 4-day charts, it looks very good because we broke the previous highs, and we are now 1 day and 16 hours away to close this candle. When this candle close at this point, that's very bullish, guys. That means we can get a lot higher prices. It can maybe be the big candle what everybody is waiting for, maybe the 10K candle. So guys, let's go to the 1 day to see the daily. The daily, it looks so strong because we hold the EMA each time, the EMA 20. It's on the daily a good support. Like the only thing which you should be worried, the first red flag what you can get is when we break with a candle close, a daily candle close under the 20 EMA, guys. A candle close under the 20 EMA, it changed the structure a little bit because we didn't close under it for a long time, guys. Let's see, when was the last time? The last time was here. It was like 13 October, and we are now at 16/12. So it's a long time, guys. Let's see how long that is. Then it's 67 bars, guys. So 67 days ago, 67 days, we are now holding strong the 20 EMA. That's a really strong indication, guys. When we have one body candle under it, it means change in structure. It means watch out. But until we just go stay above it, there is no clouds. There is really no clouds in the way for Bitcoin. It's very sunny on Bitcoin land, guys. And it looks like we are going more higher and more higher here, like a green star. That's also good on the daily. It means positive things, guys. And the most nice thing is it's the daily MACD that's crossing again in a high level. So that's also very good. Normally, when this cross on this point, it's a strong, very strong indication. The RSI is above the yellow line. That's good, and the CMF is growing. So the daily charts, it looks very bullish. It really looks like we're gonna have a move to the upside. The probability is bigger that we have a move to the upside at this point of view. The 4-day charts, guys. Sorry, the 4-hour charts, the short term. The 4-hour shows MRI sell. That means we can have a correction of 4 candles. It's the opposite. It's the opposite of what the daily shows, but it's no problem because a sell at the 4-hour, it means a 4 candle correction in the bull market. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we can have a little pullback, but there's nothing to worry about. It's just like for a 16-hour pullback, what you maybe can expect now. The probability there is there that we have a 16-hour pullback, but that doesn't matter that after the 16 hours we push up again, and then the daily, it looks still bullish. So the 4-hour, what it shows for me, it can have a little correction now of 4 candles, but like let's see if that happens. Like a 4 candle correction, it should hold around the 102K. Around the 102K, I expect that maybe like a correction to the 102K, and from there we pump up and we break the 105K, and we break the 106, 106, 107K, and then we push up. That's a big probability at the moment. The CMF is also going a little bit down on the 4-hour, but also a little sign of a little pullback maybe expecting. So that's about Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin looks good. Maybe we get a little pullback now in the upcoming 16 hours. But beside that, it looks very strong. It looks like we're gonna break soon the previous all-time high, and that's now around 16K. Let's say 16K 600, 500. So, guys, I want to take a look in the Bitcoin dominance charts because the Bitcoin dominance chart is important for what the altcoins will do. Let's go to the weekly. Like, guys, this for me is an indication that the really alt season can start any moment, guys. Because in the weekly, in the long term chart, you see that the Bitcoin it's broken heavily. Like it doesn't go up anymore. It's like it's really broke massive. It broke the 20 EMA here. Like it broke the 20 EMA, it broke the 50 EMA, and okay, we go now up, but the chance is big that you get rejected and you go more down. Like this doesn't look bullish for me at the moment. Like for a Bitcoin dominance, that Bitcoin gonna make more, get more money outside the altcoins. It looks more the opposite for me in the weekly chart. You also see in the CMF, the CMF is under the zero. So yeah, this is really a breaking chart after a long time because we respected the 20 EMA for a very long time. You see it like really a long time, like from this point, from 6 March. That's a long time, guys. 6 March 2023. Uh, that's almost like 9 months. We stayed above it, and then you break a candle. You break with the body under it, and you stay under it, and that's an indication of a changing of the trend, guys. That means there is a really big probability that the altcoins, that the money from the Bitcoin, it's flowing inside the altcoins. You will not, you don't see it really today. For example, the altcoins mostly they don't do it so well at the moment. But in the longer, in the zoom out with the weekly, you can just see that the Bitcoin doesn't is so dominant anymore, and the altcoins getting more dominant and more dominant with the day. So that's a sign for me that we can expect very soon alt season, guys. Because if you are honest, the alt season didn't happen yet. The meme season didn't start it yet. When that happened, guys, you will see really really big pumps from altcoins. You can sometimes see in a daily 100% that some altcoins double or even 60%, 70%, like it's normal in the alt season. You will see things go double and double and double by day and by day. So the 4 days it shows me the same. We have the Bitcoin dominance. It tries to protect this point around the 55, 54%, but it doesn't look so strong. You get 2 times rejected here again under the 20 EMA, what you hold for so long time, and you want to break it again, and it's hard now to break it because I think we don't gonna break this. The chance is bigger that we don't gonna break it, and we're gonna go more down, and the bull and the alt season is really gonna start. Like you see it, everything, all the escalators also, it's negative for the Bitcoin dominance. Like it's more positive for the altcoins, the alt season. Yeah, the daily you see it how weak it looks on the daily, guys. We are under all the moving averages. You get rejected a couple times with the moving averages, so it means Bitcoin is not so the dominance is not so strong anymore. You have here a very at the 60%. You have a very big uh, residence zone. So it will be already a surprise when you reach 60 here. But then the chance that you're gonna break this, it's so low. At this moment, it really looks that the altcoins, they are really winning, and soon the money of a lot of money from the Bitcoin it will flow in the altcoins. That was this chart is showing me at the moment, guys. And yeah, let's go maybe to the 4 hours to see the short term, but that's really not so interesting for me on the Bitcoin dominance, because the Bitcoin dominance, guys, I like it more to see it in the big view, in the weekly or daily or maybe the 4 day. It shows more than like this. Like this shows, guys, that the 200 EMA is rejected 1, 2, 3 times. They are trying on the 4 hour to break this point. Let's see if we can break this point. If you break this point, there is even big support at but there is a little support here at 58, 50, at 58, 55%, like here. And then you have the 60%. What's a big support? So let's see, maybe it go down and then you have some support at the 55. And if the 55 is broken, you go more down. You have even one support here at the 56.44. So let's see. Like in the short term, it looks like the Bitcoin want to make a little bit more dominance, and it's also possible when Bitcoin, for example, go to 110k or 115k. It's a possibility, but it's a big chance that you get rejected and you go more down, and the money go flow inside the altcoins. Because when the money go inside the altcoins, guys, in the begin, a lot of people will follow, and all this money will follow to the altcoins, and then you see the Bitcoin dominance really going a lot down. But in the weekly, you saw it, guys. The weekly, it really shows the structure is changed. The daily, it shows the structure is changed. Normally, a change in structure, it's just a bigger probability that it goes down in this view, in this Bitcoin dominance charts at the moment. So, guys, my conclusion is Bitcoin today maybe have a little correction. Let's see if we can break. If it's not, it go up. But the probability is that we have a little correction of 16 hours, a 1 to 4 candle correction. If that happen, I don't see a problem. I think it will be defended on the 102k, around 102k, and from there we bounce up again and we break the 106k. That's a big probability at the moment. So let's see, guys. I hope you enjoyed the episode, guys. Tomorrow we are with a new episode. We will check out some meme coins, some altcoins. Let's see which one we will choose. If you have a suggestion from a coin, put it in the comments. Then I will check it out, and maybe we announce it tomorrow, and we're gonna analyze it together. So, guys, I wish you all a great Monday, Crypto Milad, wherever you are in this world. Be happy, guys, and protect your bags. See you all hopefully tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.